I will give a complete solution to the model question of the second exam of computer of class 6 according to the new curriculum 2082. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. I will move on to today's topic, so let's start. So second examination 2082, then subject computer, this grade 6, time 2 hours, full marks 15, pass marks 18. And then it says in 1 at the beginning, and choose the correct answer for the given. Then A. Now it is in A. MS Word is one of the popular software. भनेको के भने सबैभन्दा पपुलर सफ्टवेयर MS Word. One of the popular software भनेको word processing. A horizontal bar at the top of an active document is called. भनेको के horizontal bar at the top of an active document is called. Title. C. The first electronic software is. भनेको first electronic software कुन? MS Excel. Horizontal division of worksheet is. भनेको horizontal division of worksheet भनेको के? row. Vertical भनेको हामीले column भन्छौँ. Collection of worksheet is called. भनेको के? collection. Worksheet भनेको booklet. And then next two, match the following. Then thumbs, home key, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, MS Word. Thumbs, this space bar, right? This space bar. Home key. Then home key. जब तपाईले सुरुमा टाइपिङ गर्दा सुरुमा औंधाहरु राख्नुहुन्छ ASTF JK सेमिकोलन त्यो दिस होम की. Ctrl C दिस कपी भनेको जे पनि चीज कपी गर्नको लागि Ctrl C. Ctrl V दिस पेस्ट MS Word processing. Word processing. 3. True and false. भनेको true by true र false by false one. A. Counter is an electronic machine. Then true भनेको counter is an electronic machine हो. Keyboard and mouse are output device. No, input device. Keyboard and mouse are input device. Out. False. You should use all your finger while typing. भनेको you should use. ले finger use गरेर टाइपिङ गर्नुपर्छ. while typing finger use गरेर टाइपिङ गर्नुपर्छ. True. The first electronic spreadsheet software was MS Excel. False. किनकि first electronic spreadsheet software was MS Excel. We can type in Nepali and English language in computer. We can type in Nepali and English language. True. And then 4. Write full form of the following. CPU Central Processing Unit. RAM. Random Access Memory. POS Point of the cells. CC Carbon copy. Then last CD compact disc भनेर 4. It says in 5 answer the following question. What is computer? Write any 3 parts of the computer. Then 3 definition of 4 definition. First, a computer is an electronic device which takes input for the user processor them and provides meaningful result. Then second, the full form of the computer is operating machine purposely used for technical and education research. Then full form. Next, common operating machine practically used for trade, education and research. And last definition, technically speaking, the first computer does not have a full form. The term computer is easily derived for the Latin word computere, which means calculate. Then definition. Next, why write any three parts of computer? First part input, second processing, from last one output device. Input processing में क्या पर्छ त? Then keyboard mouse used to give data to the computer. Computer में use गर्ने keyboard और mouse. Processing unit CPU, the parent of the computer that processing data. Output device, monitor, printer used to show the result. जे result आउँछ त्यो भनेको output device. जे processing गर्छ त्यो processing unit. जे use गरिन्छ computer को लागि त्यो input device. Then second question, what is typing tool? A typing tool is a computer program software that help user learning and practice typing skills to encourage spread and then typing tool माने where do you place finger for starting typing? तपाईले starting कुन रोबाट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Before start typing, finger are placed on the home row key of the keyboard. Left hand ASDF यहाँ जुन देखाएको छ त्यो भनेको लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड भनेको जो यति भाग देख्नुहुन्छ लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड ASDF जो यो भाग देख्नुहुन्छ यो भनेको राइट ह्यान्ड JKL सेम कलर जुन यो लाइन देखाएको छ यो लाइन भनेकै यतापट्टिको लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड राइट र राइट ह्यान्ड राइट ह्यान्ड की भनेर यसरी कीबोर्ड सहित देखाएको छ. देन what is Microsoft Word? Write different versions of Microsoft Word. सुरुमा Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It is used to create, edit, format and print document. The word processing software by Microsoft. It is used to create, edit, format and print document. Different version. कति version का हुन्छ? Microsoft Word 2003, 203, 207, 210, 213, 216, 219, 365. Right? Then 5. Write any 3 features of MS Excel. MS Excel का विशेषता it has to perform mathematical and login calculation using formulas and function. It always creating, chatting and graphs for data visualization. It provides row and column to storage, organize and analyze data systematically. Then 6. Draw a picture of a computer and name 3 parts. Right? 3 parts of the computer. Then here, draw picture of the computer. Point out the following. जुन 3टा नाम दिएको छ पहिला चित्रको तयार पार्नुस्. तिनी चित्रलाई 3 भाग दिएको छ. कीबोर्ड, माउस र अर्को के दिएको छ? कीबोर्ड, माउस र CPU. यिनीले चाहिँ हामीले यिनीको नाम लेख्ने मैले यहाँ सबैको नाम राख्दिएको छु है के फरक पर्दैन इन दिस वे according to the new curriculum 2082 have completed the complete solution of the model question of the second exam of computer of class 6 please watch the video till the end if you like the video please like it and subscribe to the channel. I would like to leave you with this video today. Thank you. Jai Nepal.